up, C.A.T family? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before we get started, like, subscribe, comment. So today, a big thumbs up. So today, guys, you're going to tour with us along the railway. So stay tuned.
They're having fun. They're at the railway station on the rail, enjoying the breeze. There's a nice breeze here. It's a good place also for kids to play. There's no train around. You can see the station here, railway, and these are people await the train before they board. The kids are moving, and they're moving at a faster rate. Ashley, Taraji, say something. Ashley, Taraji, come. How are you feeling? How are you feeling, Taraji?
Bad.
Why are you feeling bad? You're not enjoying the breeze at the railway?
I'm enjoying.
Why are you saying you feel bad?
I have homa.
I'm not seeing you.
I have homa.
You have a flu?
Homa. Flu homa.
You have a flu. Okay. I will give you medicine so that you get well.
Yeah, it's good here.
It's good, dear. What are you enjoying here?
When jumping in the railway. When walking and jumping.
You've not picked stones.
We pick stones.
You love
The
picking
giant stones.
the giant stones. What will you do with the stones?
Play with them.
Then, after finishing playing, where will you take the stones?
We return them back. We return them back to railway.
Okay, good job. Ashley, how are you feeling today?
Good.
Tell me more. What you like to tell us about the railway experience?
It's pretty. It's pretty good.
Ashley,
Yes.
I've asked you a question. What is your experience right now?
Good.
You can only say good, nothing else.
I like the breeze and the plants along this side and the other side.
Okay, have you seen a train passing by?
Yes, we saw it earlier today.
Okay. Was it carrying people or luggages?
It was carrying luggages.
Okay, where is it heading to?
In the river. It's heading to Nairobi.
Okay. Enjoy. Okay, Taraji, what do you have to say?
The flowers are pretty and soft.
The flowers are pretty and soft.
Yeah, these ones are very soft.
Have you seen a butterfly?
Yes, it's so pretty.
Where is that butterfly? There's no butterfly. You picked the flower here.
Yeah, I picked here.
These are the flowers she picked. Now I want to touch them because they have what? They'll pierce my hand. They have thorns.
Yeah. And then when it pierces your hand starts being yellow.
Ongeeni nikirecord tu. Keep speaking.
Actually, jokes are funny.
No, don't take those flowers.
No, I know the back.
You've seen there's a security person there
Where?
at the gate.
Where?
Let's go.
Where?
There at the gate. Let's go.
I catch 2 butterflies. They are very soft even, like the flowers.
Okay.
They are still. Mama, she is laughing on me.
Later. If you move, you're really slow. How can I record when you're just walking slowly? Ashley,
And the railway
stop.
has big stones, so you walk
Yeah, you can see the stones along the railway.
So,
line. You can see so many big stones. Big stones. You can see the stones. See the rail. You can see stones. Then here people park their vehicles. Then they head to Nairobi town. Then later when they arrive in the evening, they pick their vehicles. But today it's like it's not busy. There are no vehicles parked here. Let's proceed. Let's go. We move. Come. Taraji, why are you crying? Why are you crying? What do you want to say?
Please, when you walk careful, when you walk faster, you fall.
Okay, now continue walking.
Only one.
And there's a shed here. You can see the shed
One of the
where
flowers.
people sit. Huh?
Here.
And this one is a nice place. Yeah, I'm recording.
Here's the place you sit.
Yeah, there are seats there.
You cannot climb up, so somebody helps you.
Yeah, so people normally.
Actually, help me climb up.
Now, Lebu, let's move. Let's move. Taraji, let's move.
I want to climb up.
Ashley, assist her to climb up.
Are we even allowed to do that?
See, she'll just shook her.
Are we allowed?
She can just sit there, then she'll shook her. Ashley is helping Taraji to climb. I give her shoes. Amesema mtoke. Shuka. Mtole, shukisha. We go.
I told you it's not allowed.
We go.
It's very fun when you climb. How did you hear him?
I saw him pointing.
It's very fun when you climb.
As you move, I want to record where people sit. Move.
It's very fun when you climb.
Yeah, I want to record where people sit. Where people sit. So people sit here.
Look at
The
them.
passengers as they wait for the morning train.
Can you sit, Mom?
No, we cannot. It's still under construction. So the moment it's done,
This is
they'll put the staircase so that you can use it to climb.
Actually,
Now it's still.
the tree when it stops here to take people, it's tall enough so people when they get out, they hop on here. And
But they have to put staircases so that people can climb and wait. Sutoe.
And there's incense, and this is the green.
Go to the shed. Here there's lighting. There's too much light.
This and incense, and this is the green grass. It's very pretty. Grass. Yeah, grass. Leaf, and it's very pretty. You can see it.
We are at the railway station. And you can see we have so many seats here. Where passengers sit as they wait for the morning train.
And the
moment they are light, they are brought at this particular station. It's very beautiful. The breeze is so nice. You can see there are so many stones at the railway lane. Then the other side, actually kindly show the other side.
And so you can climb up.
We have so many, there's so many cows. You can see so many cows grazing. And you can see the hill there. So it's a good scenario to visit when you're free. Then Taraji here, she's saying something is in her clothes. Let me check. Where? Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Where?
Why are you smiling?
It's left.
Yeah, it's cool. It's not sunny here. Okay, let's keep walking.
And the green leaves are very pretty. You can get it in the railway map.
Railway match.
You can see there's so many.
Line. It's railway line.
Railway map. I want some butterflies.
There's no butterflies.
Hey!
Actually,
Yeah?
show the
Mom, I want a
and where
butterfly.
people sit. There's so many seats here and the shade
Mom, I want a
where people
butterfly.
sit.
Mom, And this one?
And the way it's made so well.
This one's
Okay.
This one's are there.
You can see a beautiful scenario of a mountain or a hill, and the place there is Machakos County, and those are some rocks after the buildings were ruined, and the other side there is Mombasa Road.
You come and pick your flower.
What are you picking? It has thorns.
Let's pick this one.
Take this one.
Those are some cows over there.
And there's a green shiny flower.
That's not a flower, that's a leaf, and it's not shiny.
It's shiny, look.
Oh yeah.
And these are the flowers.
Yeah,
Look at this one here.
it's white.
It looks like the beach type.
Yeah, you can think you're at the beach.
Yeah.
So it's just that there's no water here. Yeah, but it's...
Mom, my flowers are flying away. Ashley said we do a joke, but we're going to do it in the another video
So stay
and
tuned.
channel.
Okay.
Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Move, let's go.
You're wearing a crop top.
Move.
Oh, can you see this? Look at it. Mom, I did like this.
Okay, so...
And then I tuck it like that. Walk faster. Look at this here.
Karaji will fall down.
You can balance.
No,
the
let's-
but
Let's go. No, we're not cutting any other plant. Let's
I'm
go.
not cutting.
Let's go.
And don't play here when you're running. It will make you fall and
Like
hurt
last
you-
time.
and hurt yourself really bad. I did it. And why are you like? Why are you like? I did it like that. So that's working it.
Simkaribia hapo mseme kenye mnataka. Karibia hapo.
The white one.
Here inside mcheck, you check. Simwangalie, wewe mnazubaa aje. Ashley, hebu talk, what are you doing?
Yeah.
We're getting a white popsicle, which is milk flavored.
And Taraji.
A
Auntie
white
will need one also. Nice milk. Hii ni milk.
It's milk.
It's milk. Naka different.
Mama unataka?
Ya ongeze mbili. Ya auntie. Yeah.
Hii itabeba ya masianti.
So ndio zikuwe 4. Hebu 2 more. Kuongezea
It's
mbili.
very yummy.
Imebaki gani? Hakuna white. So kuna gani? Ya kala gani?
Brown.
Kuna brown, kuna purple.
Okay, nichukue brown.
Just purple.
Na hiyo purple,
And brown.
brown. How much? Ngapi moja? 60 zote.
Hii ni 20 na hizi ndio.
Now you say you're out.
We're out. Peace.